Hi, and welcome again. This is week 2, and the topic for this week is scales. Now, the first thing we see when we look at a piece of music is a chord symbol. And we know, usually, most of us at this stage in our learning know the basic notes of that chord. Let's say it's a B flat 7 chord. So we know the triad and the seventh that makes up the basic sound. Now, some players really don't go much beyond that in terms of their chord knowledge. And what you do in that case is you feature the chord tones and then you take a guess at filling in some other notes. The problem is you can't play a whole melody with just the 4 notes of an arpeggio. You need more notes to make melodies. So people who play just based on knowing the chord outline have to take chances on other notes and use their ear to listen to the other musicians that are playing on that harmony and so on. Now, some players get pretty good at doing this. In fact, a great musician I played with for several years, who was a wonderful player, Stan Getz, the saxophone player, that's how he functioned as an improviser. He had never really studied music theory much, didn't know much about chords. He just knew the basic triad for each chord symbol that he saw. And he would start with those notes and then use his ear to find other notes. And he would make mistakes sometimes, but he got very good at correcting them, but sliding into the next note so it would make it sound okay and so on. But we don't want to settle for that. We want to have a full knowledge of the available notes during any given harmony, any given chord symbol. So for that, we need a scale rather than just a chord outline. So the topic for today is chord scales.